Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on giving full admin rights to a user account on Windows 10. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by opening up Windows Search and searching for Control Panel. In the Control Panel, select User Accounts. Now select Change Your Account Type. Select Administrator and then click the Confirm button. You may need to enter the password of the main admin account to continue. Your user account will now have administrator privileges. You may need to log out and in again for the changes to take effect. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows tips and tricks.